1 to 2.
We interrupt this program because of a local weather emergency. Important information will follow. We interrupt this program to activate the emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the city of Manassas Park, West Central Prince William County, and the city of Manassas until 2 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time. At 10:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Rainfall amounts around 1 to 2 inches have occurred already, and additional rainfall amounts around 1 to 2 inches are expected within the next hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Linton Hall, Bull Run, Manassas, Sudley, Manassas Park, Gainesville, Nokesville, and Greenwich. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.